Welcome back, guys, to Java Space. In the previous video tutorial, we talked about Prometheus, how you configure it, and we saw the configuration file. Permit me to mention that those are just basic configuration. You find that in a real application, you'll have much more complex configuration than what you saw. So we are going to install Prometheus server in this tutorial, and we are going to install it using Docker. So the first command we want to run is docker pull from Prometheus. I have already installed Docker using Docker Desktop. So I'm just gonna paste this command here and run it. As you can see, I already have the instance of Prometheus running in installed in our application. So I think I already have the instance running. Let me just stop it quickly. Okay, I have stopped it. So now I am also going, since I have pulled the image into my local, then I can run the image. So as you can see here, is the image. Let me just maximize this so that we can talk about what the command is doing. So we are running this image in detached mode, and the name of the image is Prometheus. On this, the internal port is mapped to this port. Then this is where the file prometheus.yml, the one I talked about in the previous video, I have put it in this directory in my machine. Then it will look for it and use it to configure Prometheus server. Then I can say enter. Then Prometheus server is now started. So we can check that by coming to this localhost 9090 enter. As you can see, this is Prometheus. So the first thing that you normally do when you get here is you want to check the status of your application. So I can come here. You remember in the configuration we mentioned two targets. As you can see, these are the targets. We have Prometheus server, then we have the Bible endpoint. These are the two Bible API that I talked about. So these are the endpoints. So as you can see, my Bible app is running, is up and running, and also the Prometheus server is up and running. If I was to go into my IntelliJ and stop the app, we will see that the app, the state will go down.